independent artist working with new media technologies, immersive media, audiovisual media, and also interactive media with performance and biotechnologies. I did a PhD at the Bauhaus University in Weimar in media art, and my main topics are to work on the nature and technology field, and at the core lays a very foundational question: how I can encourage a better relationship between people, between humans and the environment, and how I can create art that makes a difference in the sense to encourage more empathy between nature and its habitats. What I have been working on in the residency at Cittadellarte, FondazionePistoletto, I decided to focus on glaciers as the starting point of fluvial systems. So glaciers hold a very big importance, not only as storages of water, but also they are something like the Earth memory. So they hold information about the past climates of not only decades, but thousands of years ago. They hold information on pollution, radiation, but also organic material, waste products, bones, fossils, etc. And with climate change at hand, we all know that glaciers are already melting down and they will continue to do so. So in my project, I'm focusing exactly on this topic, and I developed 3 works that address this topic with different materialities, but also with different kinds of engagement point for the visitors. My very first reason that I found attractive to this challenge was that the representation of fluvial systems as a large, they have a strong aesthetic resemblance to the microworlds that I usually deal with. So my background is more in dealing with something like mycology, so fungi networks or cellular structures. But I found that somehow the fluvial systems have a very strong aesthetic similarity. So that immediately sparked my attention. And then I also found the particular location here very interesting because it's situated in this, well, directly next to the river where the Alps begin. So it's a great starting point to work on this topic. In general, I would like to focus or to draw attention onto the interconnectedness of things. So a water network is a good example of that because it's not isolated water stream, but of course it's connected to culture, to habitats, to humans, but also to technology, to pollution, etc. But also in general, I would like to encourage the people that come to see my work to feel a stronger engagement with nature and maybe also to question their dealings with nature and how they handle water down to their daily life resource.